Dalawa, oh. Hello, guys. Nandito na kami sa school ni Kylie.
Is it a doctor?
Yeah, that's clinic. Dito na kami sa school ni Kylie sa loob. Ano?
Is it a doctor?
Waiting na lang kami. Waiting kami sa pag-uwi ni ate. Surprise mo sa ate, ha? Cutie ate's birthday cake. Tapos lalagyan natin ng candy. Ito pang tatay ko yun. Ito ay magic relighting candles. Pag below mo siya, iilaw ulit siya.
Blow the candle.
Blow it candle again.
Like this. Look like this. You can spin again. It's like a spinning wheel. Like having spinning wheel. And the puppet spinning. And circles. And the tires. And the clock. And the clock. And the clock. And the clock.
Are you sleepy? Eleven candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kasi si ate ay, ilang taon na si ate? Ilang taon na si ate mo?
And this opens here and
Si ate ay 11 years old na. 11, sabi mo nga 11
11
years old.
years old. Is it a chocolate cake like this?
Ay!
So nice.
Sabi mo tara dito pa kaya kita na. Buka dito pa kaya kita.
Wait, you will explode. Yeah, happy birthday to Ashley. Where's Ashley? Where's Ashley?
Wala, nakita tayo ng Kylie. Si Kylie, ah? Si Kylie ba yun? Bakan mo na kasi. Ganun, ganun. Happy birthday! Ika na. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Pero mabuti dito.
Ba't iyak?
Hindi ako umiiyak.
Oh, kiss Gabin. Kiss ate, happy birthday. Oh, hold your flowers.
Happy birthday, Bebe.
Hold your gift and flowers. Dito kayo sa malilim. Wow, you sing na. You sing for Bebe na. Happy birthday, Kylie. Happy birthday. Sing, Bebe. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bebe. Blow the candle. Blow, blow. Yeah. You help your ate. Ay, sorry. Yay! Hindi ka na naklasa lang. Happy birthday, Bebe. Happy ka? Na-surprise ka ba? Ha?
Yellow Bebe.
Han!
Don't play.
Are you happy, guys? Guys! Ganda naman yun. Mas matutuwa kapag nabuksan mo yung regalo nila dati. Alam mo yung regalo nila dati?
No.
Sa kang dati?
Not yet.
No idea. Ah. Wala.
The thing I wanted.
What?
This is like the thing I wanted.
What nga? What thing?
Calickmakers. Something.
Ay, ba yun? Day girl. Buka ng buhok mo.
Huwag na electric fan, gabi no.
Init, grabe. Beb, dapat pupunta kami doon kanina break time mo. Si daddy, natulog, tinulugan ako. Nagpaalam pa naman ako sa teacher niya. Paalam ako sa teacher niya, pupunta natin siya break time. At least natuloy pa din.
Sa when it says, sinabi ni teacher, kakantahin nila ako ng happy birthday.
Kinantahan ka nila happy birthday? Sinabi ko nga kasi na birthday mo ngayon, sabi ko. Ikaw man pupuntahan namin si Kylie ng break time kasi birthday niya.
Sa GC? Sa GC?
Oh, hindi, sa ano? Tingin ko yung teacher mo. Tapos sabi niya, bibigyan niya daw ako hanggang 10:30. Eh, daddy mo tulog. Ayun. Sarap ng tulog, humihilig. Grabe init, no? Open mo na yan para makita ang
Sabi mo na natin yung regalo ni Gavin na ni Mama.
Dali na.
Yun na. Go.
Sinabi mo pa Gavin, mami, alam niya naman na sa'yo galing yan. Oh, dali na. Nep, open the gate!
I just said I want to open it.
No,
Are
dyan.
you okay, Gavin? Ha? Are you okay? Wala sa mga ulo ni Gavin no?
Are you okay? Flowers more!
You help ate. Masakit talaga yung bulok simula kahapon. Ano kasama na? What's that? What's that? Pakita mo naman.
Seriously, it's the thing I want to.
What's that?
Ayan ba yun? Yung inaano mo? Pinapaano mo kay daddy? Ha?
Yeah.
Ay, yung isa. Ano yung isa?
It's mine.
Wow, dami ah.
Is it mine daw? Sabi ni Gavin?
No, Gavin, you have yours, diba? Meron kang bubble blow. Bubble blow.
Bubble bath.
Yeah, you have bubble blow. How about the other one? Kaya ano kaya yun? Kylie, do you have idea kung ano yung... Let me see. Wow, dami na na. Tagal mo na yung Dasal Pamilya. How about the other one? The other gift.
Cookie?
Eh,
No, kay ate yan lahat, anak. Birthday ni ate, di mo naman birthday. What's that?
How big is this? How big is this?
Oh, ano yan?
So big,
It's another Calickmaker.
Ah, nice.
bigger crayon.
Dami, laki.
What's this? Let's share together.
Let's share together.
Let's share together. Tapos baka wala nang pinta na naman. Tapos nawala na naman.
Happy ka?
Yeah.
Happy
You're making a mess of the
birthday. Next time na lang tayo mag Enchanted Kingdom, ha? Oh, that's so big. Pati niya na.
Let's share Calickmakers.
Silver Calickmakers!
Dami.
Is it mine?
I know it's not yours.
Let's share together.
Let's share, let's share together. Let's share the card together.
Let's share together, please.
116!
Dami.
116!
Share, please, Mom.
Oo, share ka lang. Birthday ni ate ngayon. Oh, kiss mo na lang si ate. Birthday mo siya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Let's share together.
Nakuuto. Uuto ka lang eh. Oh, mamaya na yan. Later na yan sa bahay, okay? Mag-thank you ka kay daddy, ha? Dad. Mag-say thank you to your dad, ha?
Daddy, Mommy, Daddy.
Surprise ka ba namin, Dad?
Yeah.
I love it. Hey, that's mine. I love it.
Hey, that's mine.
Grabe, ang init.
Hey, that's mine.
Let's share together.
Saglit na kami nasa labas.
Anong haba ka?
Very good, you like this. Very good, the drawing. Let's go.
Mamaya kainin natin.
I feel like the drawing is a word.
Carrot.
Haro?
Yeah.
Ano ginagawa ni daddy?
Bumibili siya.
So many!
Bumibili siya.
So many!
Ano
It's
nakaka...
like 80 colors. Like,
Naki yung room niya ba, ano? Aircon?
What?
Aircon ba yung room niya? Hindi.
Ay, wala.
Wala.
Pants lang.
Hindi, ang init doon.
Init niya.
Ay, pineapple pa yun. Daming chismis ang mukha ko.
You don't like the drawing.
Kalat yung buhok mo.
And that's the way you call it a drawing. And it's the way you call it a slot. Great job.
Next time na lang tayo mag Enchanted Kingdom. Beb. Kasi walang gawa si mami. Wala tayong pang Wala kasi akong gawa ngayon. So wala kaming pang staycation. Ay, gusto ko pag nag-enchanted kami. Ay, nagpunta kami ng malayo. Gusto ko nag-staycation kami. At least 2 nights or kahit 1 night. So wala akong gawa. But okay pa rin. No? Happy pa rin naman si Kylie. Right?
Ha?
Happy ka pa rin naman, right?
Yeah. Nakalutik naman ako eh.
Ano kaya klaseng flowers yan? Purple flower. Purple. Tatatalag talking na. Are you hungry?
Yeah. I'm
Me
hungry
too. I'm
for...
really hungry.
Tokyo.
I want to help
She's hungry for Chowky.
Shopping!
for that.
KFC! Si
You're
Gabin.
hungry for KFC?
Yes, Gabin. I'm hungry for Gabin.
What are you hungry? Bro, are you eating yourself? Are you ordering your bread?
I eating my banana.
Banana. Buki? Tayo mo na lang ito. And I'm feeling... Ayusin na. Tindihan mo lahat ah. Okay, sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Kylie.
Happy birthday, Kylie.
Bubblegum!
Wala, namatay na yung isa. Namatay isa.
Okay na yun, wala na yan.
Naan
Ito
siya.
to, wait lang.
Naan siya.
Hindi, kailangan.
Happy birthday.
Ito, wala.
Oo, tanong mo.
Hindi yan natutunaw.
Wala ka lang sinisindihan.
Oh, yan na. Ito na lang. Ari ko, gabi no. Sinabing mamaya na eh. O, yan na. Happy birthday!
Wish mo na, Beb. Wish mo na, oy.
Wish! Dali na.
Pingit,
Wish.
wish.
Ano mo lang sa kanya? Wish mo na.
Tingnan mo bakit mo sa camera. Kung wish ka maayos.
Wish ka maayos.
Hindi ka naman titikit sa'yo. Nakapag-wish ka na?
Gabby's turn!
Nakapag-wish ka na?
Gabby's a wish!
Nakapag-wish ka na?
Gabby's a wish!
Hello.
Dali.
Gabby's a wish!
Sige na, bro.
Come on!
Baka tuloy.
Paano ba tayo na?
It's my turn. It's my turn. Ah!
Go. Nakahipan.
Wait lang, Gavin. Stop muna. Stop muna. Stop first. Gaya.
Meron pa din.
Kaya like ilaw eh, no? Pindangan.
Alay. Wala na.
Eh,
Yay! Happy birthday!
Again.
Wala na. Happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you. I love 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 you.
ano wish mo?
What will I do?
Anong finish mo?
I want.
Secret.
Can we watch your vlogger?
Oh, yeah.
I wish secret. Dahil na marami kang secret na roll on.